Today we're going to visit with one of the team members from Hunter Industries, a global leader in irrigation and architectural landscape lighting, and San Marcos' largest private sector employer.
All right, my name is Scott Sanchez. I'm a general machinist too. I work here at Hunter Industries, and I make replacement and spare parts for our plastic injection molds. I got into this from a literal sign that I saw. I was back and forth from traditional four-year colleges, and it just wasn't for me, and I was getting frustrated. And I saw a billboard, and it said, "Get training and get to work." So I had no idea what it was talking about. I walked into the building. I saw a bunch of cool machines. I knew I liked working with my hands. I saw a computer station set up, and I was like, this is for me. So went to a trade school. It was an accelerated program. 5 days a week, 8 hours a day, and started working here at Hunter Industries right after. All right, typical day is pretty standard. Start off with your email and your coffee, and then go over my prints, my blueprints. I see what's important, what has to be done first, and then I'll start, taking it from there. I'll see what kind of machines I have to use for the day, how important the tolerances are, kind of just break it down and, either start manually doing things using a computerized mill and lathe, or start doing some engineer work on the computer and designing up some CAD programs. The thing I like most about it is it's very creative. You start off with a block of steel and it turns into something round with the holes, and it's an actual part that works and it's functional. It's very rewarding and keeps me busy. My job requires me to know a bit about computers and CAD programming and design. I will get a 3D model of a part and program an actual machine to cut the part from the computer into a real life object for me. Oh, on our team we have quite a bit of people working alongside us. We have, it's definitely a team effort. We have mold design, mold engineers. We have guys that specialize in wire EDMs and lathe work only. We have a variety of tool makers, mold makers, and machinists all working together. Just like any job, the most challenging part would sometimes be the other people. Just kidding. We have 40 different employees and 50 different personalities, and sometimes we have to work together and we figure out the best way. We all have different ideas, but we come up with the best solution to do the problem at hand. And then sometimes the other is being self-motivated. A lot of times it is solo work and you're on your own sometimes of the day, and it's up to you to get the job done. If you were a student, the best way to get into this trade would be to go to a trade school at first. A lot of community colleges and private trade schools do exist. And after that, there is more training as well. When I started here, there was a 4-year apprenticeship. And I started off with an apprenticeship within a company, and then they kind of get you going along your way.